Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be planning for next week. So this is the week of Labor Day. We will be looking at the 2nd through the 8th, and I am going to set up my catch-all planner and definitely my work planner for next week. I may also do my personal planner, but we are going to set up for next week, and we are going to start in my catch-all planner. This is my weekly hourly planner, and I use this one as an overview for everything that is coming up for the entire week. And then I will usually break down into more detail my work planner and my personal planner. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to add in my dates at the top here, and then we are going to add in all of my appointments for the week. So on my sidebar, I do want to add my YouTube schedule, and then I'm also going to add what is coming up in the very next week. This gives me a spot where I can just jot down everything that's coming up, and I have a quick location to see what I might need to plan for next. So normally I would go live on Monday, but Monday is Labor Day, so I am not gonna go live. I know my kids will be off, so that will be a family day, and then I will post a video on Wednesday. Wednesday's video is going to be, is your planner working for you? What I've been noticing is that a lot of people are getting very overwhelmed with their planner, and I wanted to talk about it. I'm gonna give you 5 questions in that video that will help you if you are struggling with picking a planner or your planning style. And then, of course, my Saturday video will be organizing my week. I do want to mark off next week. We have Grandparents' Day at my daughter's school. And so I'm picking up my parents so that they can go to the school and celebrate with them. That's the only thing I'm going to add for now. I'll probably add more things throughout the week. Now I am just going to add some more colorful boxes for different meetings I have coming up. Let's first mark off Labor Day. I'm using a mix between the bigger colorful boxes and the smaller boxes, and this is just depending on how long the meeting is supposed to be. So if it's a meeting that's scheduled for about 2 hours or so, I will usually use the bigger boxes. But if it's 30 minutes to an hour, then I will use the smaller ones. Okay, this is it for the first half of the week. Now let's go ahead and look at the second half. Okay, we have a lot of different things going on Saturday. So I'll start off with my coffee meetings. And that is from 9 to 10. Then I have a brunch. And then I have a birthday event. And I have church. Okay. All of the meetings and appointments are down. Now we're just gonna mark off some errands and just different things that I need to do. We'll probably do a family movie night. So I've been trying to watch my lectures on Thursdays. So I'm going to mark that off here. Block off like 2 hours to watch a lecture. And then on Saturday is when I am planning on doing a majority of my housework, like laundry, home cleaning, and the dishes. This is my catch-all planner. So now we are going to move over to my work planner, which is a dashboard style planner. And this is where I keep up with all of my social media and the different things that I need to film throughout the week. I also add on here meetings and different things that I need to do. So I'm going to write down the YouTube schedule and my shorts schedule for the week. I usually will write that right here. Let's see, I think I'm gonna cover these. So this is long form content. This will be shorts. We will do other here and then ideas. All right, I'm gonna leave this blank for the ideas that I come up with throughout the week. And then on this side, we're just gonna set it up, because even though I know what I want to post for the week, that does not mean that is exactly what I'm going to post. So as the week goes on and I do different things, I will add it here. This is basically it for this setup. I keep this one really simple. Every now and then I will add a couple of stickers around the sides. Sometimes I will add coffee stickers, and it's just to add a little bit of decor. But for the most part, I keep this one pretty functional. And then the last one I'm going to set up is my personal planner. And this is a vertical planner that I use basically to help me with everything that's going on in my personal life. And that is mainly caregiving for my parents. I do take them to a lot of doctor's appointments and things that they have coming up. Things for the kids and with my husband, all of that will go on here. This is another one that I don't do much setup for because it's really functional. And I don't want a lot of setup for these types of planners because then it's going to hinder me from actually using it. And the way that I love to use this planner is I will mark down the different things that's happening, like the different doctor's appointments that my parents may have. and then I can add additional details, because I do add these appointments within my catch-all planner as well under the time that they specifically happen, but I will usually add notes from those appointments here. So if the doctor says something at this appointment, then I will write it here. Same thing under here. But this is one that I'm using on the go. I will usually pull this out while I am sitting in the doctor's appointments. That way I can write down everything, and then me and my parents can talk about it after the appointment. I will usually also add my habits on this one as well, like the different things I plan on doing throughout the week. So laundry, dishes, working out, the details, if I actually worked out, how long I did it, all of that will go in this planner. Okay, that is it for my personal planner. I am going to add in more things as the week goes on. But these planners, I am really writing in as the week goes on. The one that I will write in the most at the beginning of the week is my catch-all planner, because my catch-all planner is the planner that sets the tone of what I would like to get done this week. So this is the one that I'm going to write everything in. But since I am writing everything in it, it does not mean that this is exactly what's going to happen. Usually what I will end up doing is replanning my day in my daily planner, because this planner is where I will decide the morning of if I need to restructure and think through what I have put in this planner. But this is it. We are set and ready to go for the week. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you, and I hope that it is your reminder to go ahead and set up your planner for the week. Make sure that you be on the lookout for my video coming out Wednesday on Is Your Planner Working For You? Because in that one, we are going to dive into the 5 questions that you need to think about to make sure that you are using your planner effectively. But I will see you in that video. And until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.